Okay, looking for bras blindly. Yes, how do we blind females find bras, right? One of those things that when you go to the store and ask for assistance and they give you a guy, you feel a little uncomfortable. I mean, I'm okay with it, but I'm so shameless that I would not be embarrassed. But I don't know, I'm here at Kohl's and I've been walking here for a couple of hours. I already went to the fitting rooms and I been walking by myself and I found stuff. And I adventure looking for bras and I found them. And I'm showing bras and believe me that my size is not this one. It's just, funny when you are blind and you're just touching and then you find the biggest bras ever and you go like, no, that's not my size. So I don't need to see to know what my size is. However, I just find the style that I'm looking for and that I like, and then I grab it, and then when I go to the cashier, I ask for prices, color, and I ask for my size. So you girls, it's not that difficult. It's not. You just go around and see. I'm gonna be holding my phone with my left hand, and I think I drop one of the big bras. And I do this when I go shopping, so I don't just leave stuff on the floor just because I'm blind. No, I pick it up and put it back. And I have my ID cane because I actually went out for lunch with someone. And on the way back, I go like, what if you drop me off at Kohl's? And they go like, you sure? I feel bad dropping you off there. I go like, please don't. I'm saving money. A ride, money ride or ride to ride that transportation that is going to charge me. So, hey. So they dropped me off and I only have my ID cane. Was just holding on to someone, so I got it. I don't need my cane, but I'm okay. The accessibility here in the United States, and the stores are pretty accessible. This is carpet, and that is, the tile that is on any of the pathways, like just to go from whatever area to area, men's, females, teens, and whatever. So as soon as I get out on the tile, like I'm gonna walk over there, I already know that I can just, let me see, and of course see, like I'm not feeling any tile. Oh yeah, it's right here, see? And I listen to the rightest people, and I know that, I think so there is the shoe section, so I'm gonna go and check boots, and then, so it's just tile. And this is what I follow when I went to the fitting rooms. And then I just adventure and I'm using my cane, so there are no steps or anything that I could be afraid to actually fall. And then I'm just put my cane under my armpit, and then I just start touching. And these are not bras that I like, so I just then I grab my cane, you guys, I grab my cane, and then I start walking with my cane, feeling the racks, of course, from left to right. And that's how I walk, and I am not embarrassed. No, I'm not embarrassed to be seen like the blind lady, right? And then I just hear someone and I go like, excuse me, do you know where the fitting rooms are? And then that's what I did, and they go like, oh, I'll take you over there. And I go like, I have the feeling that this guy doesn't work here. He go like, no, I don't, but I'm more than happy to take you. And he couldn't find the fitting room, so he just looked for someone to help me, and she took me to the fitting rooms, and then I just adventured by myself out, follow the tile, and I found the bras, which is actually something that I want to check. They're having, I think these are this must be some pajamas, right? And then I just kind of look at it, but just touching for you guys that are sighted, and you always ask like, how do you do it? This is how I do it. And then I stop taking a look at that, and I grab my cane, and then I just use it as a sword. Right on. So I just you know, use my white cane skills from left to right, and then I feel on the right, and then I find more bras. These are cute bras. Of course, I'm not able to see the color, but I can easily, I've been calling them in my eyes. I call them twice, really quickly. I mean, when we go to the store and we get a guy and we want to look for panties and bras, it's a little uncomfortable. I have no idea why, but that is the case. And you know, if I ask for assistance again, I would feel pressure. So I'd rather go around the store by myself and just check out stuff, grab what I think I like, kind of my size, and then I go to the cashier and ask for colors, prices, and size, right? And then they just come in. And I'm actually pretty quick at walking. Honestly, I'm not like slow. And it's not that you have to be Speedy Gonzalez. And see, one of the things that I do is just knock things down. And I'm like extending my hand, looking a little weird, but I don't mind. These are the underwear. I mean, it's easy. Look at these. You know, the walls where the bras are hanging, the carpet, everything is accessible. There are no steps, really. Tile, my cane, my listening, my imagination, which I always say is one of my biggest. Do you ever adventure to a store where maybe you can be dropped off by your transportation, a special transport program, Uber, taxi, whatever, and then just practice? Yeah, or do you actually go with someone that helps you? It's easier, saves you time, fun when you're with someone. But if you don't have someone, do you ever do it by yourself? I do it all the time, and I just think I got used. What about guys? How do you guys do it? You don't have as much selection as we do. You don't have to buy bras. But what about your whatever you use, right? Share with us. How do you guys do it? Is it comfortable to go to the store and get assistance with it, you know, a girl when you need these type of, you know, things? Do you feel comfortable, guys? Share with us. All right, I'll see you in the next from Anna's World video from the Blind with a Vision, where the vision is actually finding bras, a black and a nude and a white color. Yep. Adios. Bye for now.